Okay.
Is it sharing?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so in the previous class, wait. Hmm, where we are? We are in the multiplication. Wait. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So in the previous class, I think you are not understand the method, multiplication method. Yes or no? There is some problem. Say yes or no. I can't understand.
Mm, no.
So today I'm going again tell you how to multiply. Okay.
Okay.
Then maybe you understand. Let's take an example. Uh, Firstly, I will tell you from my method. Okay. And some tricks we are using for easy way. For example, you can see here. Don't make a noise. Don't make a noise. 522. What? Okay. So you have some questions like
I'm not making sounds.
who? So who is making sound?
Sorry, ma'am. I was making sounds.
Okay, don't make a noise. Fine. Sorry. 522. I was thinking you are doing something. Okay, fine. So you can see here, there I think some student cannot solve these questions. So I will tell you my method to how to solve the questions. So you can see here, you have what 1, 2, 0, 8 and 3 nines. Okay. So if I'm teach you from my method, so there is some most important steps are just you have to remember what is the steps. You can see take 2 and 1. Okay, fine. So my step is that firstly we have to take what? Firstly we have to take right side number. Tell me which side right number. What? Tell me right side number is which? That is 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
So first my step is that firstly we have to multiply with
One.
no, yes, of course we have to multiply with 1 and start with the ones value. Okay. Firstly we
Yeah.
take ones, then tens, then hundred and 1000. Okay. After then what we do I will tell you after. Okay. So firstly we have to multiply 1 into 8 is, tell me.
8.
Yeah. Tell me one by one. Okay. Okay. So 1 is multiplied with 0. Then what give us?
0.
Okay. Wait. It is 0. After them?
2.
2.
No, no. 2 into 1 into multiply 1 multiply with 2. Tell me is what? Tell me what?
2.
Okay, fine. 2. Fine. 1 into 1?
1.
1.
Okay, fine. So you can see here, starting step is 1. It means if I'm talking about the multiplication numbers, that is the first number. Okay. Yes or no? And that is the second number. If I multiply from like 3, if we multiply with 3, then we are taking 3. Okay. For example, we are from the 3, we can take like 4. Yes or no?
Yes.
But I'm not taking 4. I'm just taking just for example. So if I'm taking a second number is starting with second. Okay. So you can here first step you can take cross or you can take 0. Okay. In the next step. Wait. So you can take 0. For example, you are taking 0, okay? Now we are multiply with 2, okay? 2 is starting from the second number, okay? You have to remember that. 2 is starting with the second number. Is there any problem?
No.
Just you have to listen to me, okay? You can you know that if anywhere, like for example, you have 2 and 3, okay? It is what? Is this 5, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, if you taking wait, for example, if I'm writing here 0, it means that is what?
2.
Yes, of course, that is 2. If I'm writing here, like cross, it means here is nothing, yes or no?
Yes.
If I'm cross, not that is not a multiplication, I'm not saying that is multiplication. It's just a cross. It means here is nothing. It means what we have to multiply, what we have to add. There is 2, only 2. Yes or no? So you can see
Yes.
we have to write 2. It means we can in this symbol we can use cross or you can use 0. There is no change in addition. Okay. So here, I'm already demultiplied with 1. Now I'm taking second number. Second number start with second. Yes or no?
Yes.
So now second start. 2 multiplied with 8 is what? Tell me.
16.
16.
Okay. So you know that 16 is right like this. Yes or no?
Yes.
So we have to write only 6. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Fine. So now 1 is left. Now we have to 1 taking here for the addition. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now we have to multiply 2 into 0. 2 into 0 is 0.
0.
Now in 0 we have to add 1. So it become
1.
yes, it become 1. Okay, fine. So now 2 into 2 is
4.
okay, fine. That is 4. 2 into 1 is
2.
yes. That is 2. Is there problem? Is there any problem?
No.
No. So fine. Now the second step is that we have to addition. Here we can see here is 2. Oh, wait. Here is 2. Don't confuse that. Okay. So you can see here now we have to add. What we add? Wait. Here's something. There is anything? Nothing. Yes or no? So tell me what we add. If we add 8, is there anything? Nothing. Yes or no?
No.
So we have to write 8. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, fine. So tell me 0 and 6 is what? Tell me.
0 and 6.
Yeah, we have to just add it.
3,
6.
5. 6.
Okay. Here is what?
6.
3. Fine. After then?
5.
5. Okay, fine. 5. After then?
2.
Yes. So you can see here is that method is I'm using. So is there any problem? Now you understand?
Yeah.
So can you solve the second step? Let's take a next other example. Okay, fine. For let's take 3. Like we have 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, and 4. Now taking 5. Okay, fine. If you take like 2, 3, and 1. No, I am taking 4. Now we have multiplied with how many numbers?
3.
Tell me. Here we are multiply with 3 numbers. Yes or no?
Yes.
So you can see. First step is that firstly we have to multiply with which number? From the right side number. Yes or no? The right side number is 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
After then 3 comes in 2 step. Yes or no?
Yes.
3 comes now 4 comes in 3. You have to remember that now just multiply start. Don't look all this just for your easiness. I'm right here these numbers. Don't write it in your copy. These numbers, okay? So fine. Tell me, 2 into 2?
4.
Yes, it right 4. 2 into 1?
2.
2. Okay, fine. After 2 into 3 is what? 6. Okay, fine.
10.
10. Very good. Very good. Now you can see here. Let's take tell me 3 comes in which number? 2 number. Yes or no?
Yes.
So we are starting multiply with second number. You have to remember that. That is the most important point for the multiplication. Okay. Now you can see 2 into 3 into 2 is what?
2. 6.
Yes. We have to write 6 here or here. We have to write here. Okay. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes.
You have to remember that point. If we are starting 2 number, we have to start with the 2. Or here you can write x, not x. You can say that is a cross. Okay. Or you can write here 0. Okay. Or maybe you can write nothing. There is no problem. You can leave it. Okay, fine. So now, you can 3 into 1 is
3.
3. Okay, fine. After then,
12.
what? That
12.
is 3 into 3 is what?
9.
9.
Yeah, that is 9. Fine.
5.
And after them, 3 into 5 in?
Is 15.
Yes, that is 15. Fine. So now tell me, let's here is complete. Yes or no? 3 is complete. Now we take 4. Now tell me, 4 is comes in which number? Third number. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now you can see that is the first number. Second line you can see that is the that is the first line. That is the second line. That is the third line. So we have to start from the third line.
Third
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So we have to starting with the third line. So wait. So 4 into 8 is what?
8.
Oh, sorry. 4 into 2 is 8. Fine.
8.
Okay, fine. 4 into 2 is 8. So 4 into 1?
4.
Fine. 4 into 3 is
12.
12. We have to write what? We have to write 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now 1 comes in here for the addition. So 4 into 5 is what?
20.
20. Now we have to add one more. It becomes
21.
yes, it becomes 21. Now I understand.
Yes.
Now it's time for addition. It's time for addition. So you can see we have to add always the straight line. We have to put line by line. Oh wait. Like for example, I'm making a line. You have to add only those row. Okay, fine. We have to add this number. Now here we add this column. Okay. Now tell me addition. We have to add this line. We have to put now tell me, if we add, you can see here is what? 4. Yes or no?
Yes.
So now if you add 4, say here is anything present? Nothing. Yes or no? So we have to write 4. Okay, is there any problem?
No.
Here we are adding. Don't forget it. Okay. Can clear it all these things. Now is it clear? It's just for your simplify version. Okay, fine. Now edit everything. If you add 4, here is nothing. It means we have to write 4. Is there any problem? Tell me. 2 plus 6 plus 2 is what? Tell me.
8.
Yes, that's the 8. And after them?
7.
6 plus 3 is
9.
9.
9 plus 8 is become
17. So 7.
17. Yes, it becomes 17, and now we are to write only 7. We are adding here one more. Okay. Now we are add. You can see 9 plus 1 is 10. Yes or no?
Yes.
10
Yes.
plus 4 is
14.
14. We have to write 4, not 14. 1 comes here. Yes or no?
Yes.
1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. 2 plus 5 is
9.
7.
Yes.
2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay, fine. That is 9. Now, 1 and 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
And 2.
Now you understand?
Yes.
So that is the multiplication with 3 number. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now you understand? Can I give an example? Can I give a question?
Yes.
Now you can solve. Is there? If you have any problem, you can ask me. I'm going to give you a question. If I'm saying, wait. If I'm saying, here you can take 0. Yes, okay. But you have to remember that if you multiply any number, we are starting from those place. If we are multiplying with second number, we are just starting with the second place. If we multiply with third number, then we are starting with the third number. If here is 5, if we multiply with 5, we have to start with 5. And here we can write 0, or you can say write cross, or you can leave. You can write nothing. Okay, it's your wish. You want to write anything. So if I'm giving you an example, wait. What is doing with me? So let's take a question. I'm taking a question this. Make a noise. Shit. This is again hanged. But you can write. I'm telling you a question. You have to put. You have to write 3. Write down in your notebook. Listen to me. Tell me or listen to me.
Yes.
My
Yes.
computer is hanged, so I'm speak, and you have to write in your notebook. Okay. Now you can write 3.
Wait, are we starting from the ones place to the
3, you have to write 3, 5, 2. Fine. Okay, fine. This is working right now. So you have to write. Wait. Now you have to write 3. Wait.
that's 5?
Wait. What I am saying, tell me. That is 3, then
5.
5, after then
2.
2, and I'm going to write again 5. Okay, fine. Now you can multiply with 41. Tell me the answer. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can ask. 581, you can ask. Unmute your mic and you can ask. Yeah?
Okay, thank you.
Is there any problem?
No.
Okay, fine. Now tell me answer. Here I will give you one more question. Wait. Yourself, wait. Show me. Okay, fine. 5, 2, 3. Okay, fine. Hey, some mistake again. You're almost right. 5 to 2. I think you're almost right. There's little bit mistake. Okay, you can check your answer. Maybe you are correct. Here I'm going to solve. But wait for a minute. You have to solve one more. Five to 2. I have a question. One more question for you. You can solve this again. Solve it. Now you solve both questions. Tell me everyone. Okay. Wait for a minute. I will tell you the answer. 8 to 4. Okay, wait for 2 minutes. Okay, I will tell you the right answer. If you're correct, then you can match it. Wait for a minute. Now you understand? 8 to 4.
Yeah.
Okay. I think in the previous class I will not understand. Good. So only 10 seconds. 10 seconds is left. Show me. Okay, I hope you're correct. Let's check. Let's check, okay? 5 to 2. Wait, let's check, okay? I hope you all guys is correct. Okay. Let's check, okay?
Okay.
Fine. We have this number and this number. So firstly, we have to multiply with which number? Let's check this question. Okay, fine. Here we have to multiply 1, but we are to multiply with 1, which means we have to write same. 5. If we multiply with 5, it becomes 5. If one multiply with 2, it becomes 2. Okay. And after that?
3 and then 5.
No, it's 5 and 3.
Uh,
5 and 3.
5 and 3.
After that? Now tell me where we start. From where we start?
Now you start with the 4.
Yes, we have to start with the 4, and from which place we have to start with the down, starting with 2. Okay, fine. 5. Now we have to multiply 4 into 5, which is 20. Okay. Now we have to write only 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
Fine. 2 comes here. 2 comes here for the addition. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into 2 is 8. Now we have to add 2. It means it becomes 10. So we have to write
0.
0.
yes. We have to write 0. So now 4 into 5 is
20.
yes. That is 20. Now we have to add 2.
1.
Oh,
No.
Add
sorry,
1.
is there any problem? Sorry, here is not 2. Here is 1, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, you have to say, tell me. If I'm wrong, if I'm doing incorrect, you can tell me. So you can see, if we firstly we have to multiply with 5, it becomes 20. In the 20, we have to write only 0. Oh, sorry. No, is there not correct? It's 2.
Yeah.
It's because it's for addition. So 5 into 2 is 8. 8 is become to, 10. We have to write 10. Now I have to write 1. Now 4 into 5 is
8.
20.
And
Now
4
we have to add 1 more. It become
21.
21. So we have to write 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now we have to write 2. Maybe it's okay, fine. 4 into 3 is
12.
12. Now we add 2 more. It becomes 14. Yes. Now we have to add. Oh, wait.
5 plus nothing equals 5.
Tell me what is the addition. Now here is anything present? Nothing. You have to write
5.
5. Okay, fine. Here is what?
2.
2. And after then?
5.
Okay. After then?
4.
After then?
4.
Now tell me what is your answer. Now you can match your answer. If your answer is this, then you are correct.
100,000 for
Show me.
100.
Show me, everyone. Yes, you are correct. 581, you are correct. Very good. You are also correct. Let's match. Now show me. Show me, everyone. Both of you. Okay, fine. Now you're correct. 5 to 2. Now you're correct. You match it. Okay, there's no problem. Good. Okay, show me 8 to 4. 537. You're correct. 8 to 4. Show me your copy.
Up.
Show me fast. Show me. Okay. You're doing some mistake. I think you're doing some mistake. Yes or no? Now you can match it. Tell hands up which one is right.
The The first one is right. The second one is
No. Tell me, just tell me who is right. If you match your answer, which one is correct? Tell me, but just try, raise your hands if you're correct. I think not understand. Okay, fine, you are right. Very good. And I think 5 to 2 you are also correct. Good. Let's check second question, okay? Okay, good. Let's check second question. Fine. Is there any problem?
No.
Tell. Is there any problem?
No.
Let's check second question. So I have to multiply with 1. It become 1. 1. 1. How many times is 1? 4 times. Okay. Now you can, if you multiply with 1, 1 is complete. Now we have to take second one. Okay. The second one is start with the second number. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now you have to write 4 times because we have to multiply with 4 times.
1.
2. Now we take third one. Yes or no? Third one is starting with the third number. 1, 2,
1.
and 3. Here's a mistake. Yep.
And then another one.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, you can go. Now we have to add. Yes or no?
Yes.
Tell me what is that? Here is what? 1.
1.
And after them?
2.
Okay. After them?
3.
After them?
3.
Then
2.
1. So if your answer is this, then you are correct. Match it and tell me. Tell me who is correct. Match it. How many? Tell me. 5 to 2, you're correct? Okay, very good. You're correct. 5, 8, 1, you're correct. And 5 to 2, you're also correct. Very good. And 5, 3, 7. Show me your copy. And 8 to 4, also show me your copy. Okay, you're also correct. Very good. Good. 5 to 7, you're correct. Tell me yes or no. Your answer is this or match with this.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now I'm going to erase. Let's take to tell me. Now you understand. Is there any problem?
No.
Tell me answer yes or no.
No.
Okay. Okay, so we have a question. So let's talking about multiplication by 3 digit. We are already multiply with 3 digit. Yes or no?
Yes.
Here is just for ending. Here we are talking about the ending with 2 zeros. You can see here multiply by 3 numbers ending with 2 zeros. Okay. To multiply with the number by 3 digit ending with the 2 zeros, these steps are follow. First step is that write 0 in both ones and tens place. Okay. What we have to write? If 0 is comes in any question for the multiplication, we have to write 0 in ones place and the tens place. Okay.
Okay.
After that, the second step is that then multiply the number by the digit in the hundred place. It means you can see 0 is comes in the ones and tens place and 100 place is number is come. Now we have to multiply with number. Okay. For example, let's take a question. Let's take a question. Now you have 4, 0, 0. Okay. Now, if you multiply with this 8, tell me the multiplication. The rule, according to this, the rule is that we have to write 0. If 0 is comes in any place, if 0 is comes in the last place, you can see 0 is comes in the ones and tens place. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So we have to write 2 times. It means we have to write in the ones place 0 and the tens place 0. After then we have to multiply with what? We have to multiply with this number. Okay. And after then this number. Okay. And after then 2. Oh, sorry. We have to multiply with 2. Is there any problem? Let's multiply. Now 4 into 3 is what? Tell me.
12.
Now in the 12 we have to write 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. 1 comes for the addition here. Okay. Tell me 4 into 8 is what? 4 into 8. Tell me.
32.
32. Now if we add one more, it becomes 33. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now we have to write only 3. 3 comes for the addition. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. 4 into 2 is
8.
8.
now if we add 3 more, it becomes yes or no? It becomes 11. So the answer is this. Is there any problem?
No.
Okay, fine. So that is the step. Let's take another example. You can see. Tell me, is it clear? My screen is showing clear. Let's take example. You can see. You can see here we have 23 multiplied with 100. Yes or no?
Yes.
You can see if we have ending with 2 zeros, we have to write 2 zeros in the ending. Okay. After then we have to multiply with the number. You can see 1 is multiplied with 3, it becomes 3. And 1 multiplied with 2, it becomes 2. It means we have the answer is 2300. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So if we have a long number, we can solve this method. Now you can see here is what? We have 3 numbers. Yes or no?
Yes.
Let's take an example. For example, if you have like 1, 2, and 3, and you are multiply with 100. No, you multiply with 300. Fine.
Fine. Okay.
If you write, you can write 300 like 3 into 100. Yes or no? You can see.
Yeah.
I will give you why I'm saying 3 into 100. 300 right? 300 like write like this. Yes or no? Why I'm saying?
Yes.
Yes.
You can see. We can see because 0 comes in the last. Once in tens place, we have to write 2 times. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now 1 is multiplied with 3. It becomes 3. Yes or no? So that's why I'm saying 300 written like this. Yes or no? Is there any problem?
No.
Okay, fine. So that's why I'm writing here like this. So you can see 2 comes in how many times? 0 comes in 2 times. So we have to write 2 times 0. Now we have to multiply. Tell me. 3 into 2 is
3.
6. No.
6.
Yeah. 3 into 1. 3. 3 into 3 is? Tell me fast. 3 into 3 is what?
9.
Yes, don't think too much. That is an easy thing. Okay, fine. So you can see there is the answer. If I'm taking like this question, for example, you have 100 and again you have 200. Now you have 200. Oh, wait. You have 200. If you multiply this, tell me what is the answer. Don't start with addition. That is most easy thing. You can see 2 comes in how many times? 2 comes in 2 times. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, fine. You can see in the upper side 2 also come in the end. Yes or no? You can see 2 also come 0 comes in the last place. Once in 10th place. We have to again write 0 0. Okay.
Okay.
You can count it. Here, how many zeros are come here? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros are comes in the question. So we have to write 4 times 0. Now you can multiply. 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is what?
2.
Yes. The answer is this. Is there any problem?
No.
So you can solve this question. Now you have 30 and wait, I want to erase this. So you have 4 0 0, 4 0 and 0. So tell me the answer. Tell me. Firstly, tell me how many times we have to write 0.
3 times.
Yeah, we have to multiply with. You can write if that rule only perform on those question in the if 0 in with a 0. I mean question in with a 0. You can see question in with a 0. Yes or no? So we have to write. We have to count it and we have to write it. You can see 3 zeros are come in the question. Now we have to multiply with the number. Tell me what is the answer. If you multiply with 3 with 4.
12,000. 12,000.
Yes, that is the answer. Okay, is there any problem?
No.
Okay, fine. So these rules are make it easy. Which one is leave the class? Okay, I will tell one question more and after that I will leave the class.
Okay.
Okay, let's take an example. Now you can solve all these questions, yes or no?
Yeah.
Is it simple, yes or no?
Simple.
Okay, fine. Let's take this question. Here the question is this: multiply by three digit number not ended with 0. You can see here the number is not ended with 0. I'm already tell you how to solve with 3 numbers. Yes or no?
Yeah.
I'm already tell you how to multiply with 3 digits. Yes or no? Is there any problem? Because if 3 numbers comes, you have to multiply. If 3 is come, we have to starting with the first number. If 2 comes, 2 numbers comes, then we have to start with the second number. Yes or no? If we multiply with third number, we have to start with the third number. So that is the simple things. Let's take another thing. Okay, so. I'm already tell you already. Find the product. You can solve this question. Can you solve this question? Tell me the answer. Tell me without writing. Listen to me, everyone. Just tell me answer without write in your notebook. Tell me. Can anybody tell me answer without wrote down in your copy? 581. You can tell me answer. What is the answer of this question? Five, 8, 1.
Yes.
Can you tell me the answer without note down in your notebook?
3 times 0 goes to 0.
You had tried how many times we have to write 0?
2 times.
Okay, fine. We have tried 2 times. Okay, then
And then we write
2 into 3 is
3, 2, and then
6.
6.
yeah. Don't
4.
okay, after that. After that,
After then that is 4.
4. Yeah. Yeah, you're correct. 5, 3, 7. You're correct. Then after that again multiply with 4. So that is the answer. Is there any problem?
No.
Okay, good. So these are the some property of the multiplication, and these are the some steps for the solving this question. So I will all these things tell you in the next class. Estimating the product. Okay.
Okay.
I will tell you for the next class, and today's class is over. Take care and bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you for the good morning.
Bye.
Thank you for class. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. Take care of you.
Okay.
Bye. Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.